Hello everyone and welcome to a new video series of Nature Intact. In this series, I'm going to explain my design workflow, how I design landscape project and what kind of software I use while designing those projects, and importantly how I execute those projects on site, including my day-to-day life in weekly blog format. I'm pretty excited for this project and video series, and I hope all of you are liking this series as well. So without wasting any time, start with episode 1. So in this project, I'm going to design for a glamping site. Before designing, it's crucial to understand what is glamping is. So glamping is a mixture of glamour and a camping. It's kind of camping site, but more inclined towards luxury site. So let's start with a client briefing. The common material used on this theme site are wood, metal, plants, and clay. So client expect use similar material while designing this gate. Do not use modern architectural gate design and try to experiment with a contemporary and retro kind of gate design. Importantly, these sites are situated at the bottom of the hill and you cannot open door backward because of the steep slope. So you have to consider a foldable design for the gate. Started with sketching some conceptual plan and converted them into 2D wireframe by using AutoCAD. After that, I exported the XF file from AutoCAD and imported it into Blender in order to start modeling on 3D layout. So yeah, I decided to put my hand on the iPhone. I need a phone that can shoot 4K at 24, 30 and 60 fps. An iPhone can do with a good camera clarity. Due to the excitement, I had already unboxed this phone and did entire phone setup as soon as delivery boy delivered it. After the drafting of the supporting beam and roof, I started working on the animation of the foldable gate in order to client understand how to exactly open the door. Finally, I rendered entire design in PNG and MP4 format and added some final touches by using Adobe Illustrator. After that, I export entire plan in PDF format to share with the client. If you like this kind of video, make sure hit that like button. Until next time.